Why your budget always fails and how to fix it in 10 steps.
Budgeting like a pro. I always make a budget, but I never stick to it. My money just disappears every month.
1. Understand your income vs expenses.
Before making a budget, list all your sources of income, then track all your monthly expenses.
It's impossible to budget effectively if you don't know where your money is coming from or going. 2. Set realistic spending limits. A budget fails when it's too strict or unrealistic.
If you usually spend KSH 10,000 on rent,
don't aim to cut it to KSH
5,000. Set reasonable limits that are actually achievable.
3.
Categorize your expenses. Break it down. Divide your expenses into categories: rent,
food, utilities, transport, savings,
and entertainment.
This helps you focus on where you can cut back. 4. Prioritize needs over wants.
Essentials like rent, food, and transportation come first.
Wants like dining out, clothes, and entertainment come second. This prioritization ensures you never miss out on the important stuff.
5. Track every single expense, no exceptions. Use apps or a manual journal to record everything you spend.
The small things add up.
Skipping this step is a budget killer.
6. Don't forget your fun money, but be smart about it.
It's okay to allocate some funds for leisure, but don't let it eat up your budget.
Set a fixed, reasonable amount for fun and stick to it. 7. Build an emergency fund for unexpected costs. A good budget includes an emergency fund. Set aside at least 10% of your income for this.
It gives you financial flexibility and protects you from unexpected expenses.
8. Review and adjust monthly. At the end of each month, assess your spending habits.
What went well?
What didn't?
Adjust for the next month.
A static budget doesn't work.
9. Use the 50-30-20 rule for simplicity. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt. This simple rule keeps you balanced and focused. 10. Commit to being consistent. Discipline is key. It's easy to fall off track, but the key to budgeting is consistency.
Don't get discouraged by a bad month.
Stick to your goals, and your financial situation will improve.
Your budget is your roadmap to financial freedom, but only if you follow it.
Subscribe now for budgeting tips that actually work.